Hello and welcome. Here in previous video I think we have parameterized the constructor, here our object, and in this video I will create two objects here. And same, before that you have do some function here. You for with one code you had execute only once, but here you can execute multiple times. Let's make object here to object 1 is equal to my class, and I will pass 50 and 60, and we have to I will create same to here obj dot obj1 dot put. I can make this after this get also, but I want to show something new, so I will make this obj1 dot get. Now we can call this function many times by passing this argument or parameter, but here if you make this object at the same time, then let's say there is same function without class here. If I call this value, first of all put, suppose it is returning here something, and I will say x is equal to put, here I will pass some 10 and 20 suppose, and again I will pass y is equal to, suppose say here it is same, we are calling y is equal to, suppose I said x is equal to put the 20 comma 30. This is like this, but it will replace this value here, but this is not in case of object. This will assign this differently. Now let's run and see if we get different answer. We will get two answer here. This is how we can make different object here. Here we have made a parameter different, and we will do some example here, and I will pass here simple, as I will pass with on house. There is on house, suppose no, I will pass with something like owning that thing that some companies made. I will make some car. There should be a model and company and owner, something like this. Here we can simply make self that model is equal to model. Sometime I go with this spelling with some verbal letter, and company is equal to, it should be same company, and self dot owner is equal to owner. This is how we can make this here, and simply I will delete this, and we will make this here. Here I just want to print here, here we have discussed in our project series that we can print like this here, like this. I will make like this. I will insert 12 here, and same as to welfare. This is of grading at the same position of this ode if you are printing for maximum time here. Now I will not print this line. I will print here for first line, and I will make format. Sorry for this, my again typing is not increasing, so I will pass self dot, sorry I have to pass here model, and I will pass here company, self dot company. I don't know actually much more about this car. I will write this random model. I have not know many models also, and I will make this as a company that will make company. I will make this capital here and this as that. No need to give space because we are aligning in better position, and this will be owner. Let's make this capital, and this is self dot company, this is model, and this is owner. Let's create that object here, and we will create multiple object here. We need not get here. I will simple pass here. You can make same here by inserting at dynamic position. I will make model is equal to V15. I don't know if this model exists, and company is Ford Motors, because I don't like much more car because it waste petrol and make pollution, so use cycle and bike for if you use for more difficulties. Bike save the petrols also in as compared to car, and make that habit of using cycle for short distance. And owner is here, I will pass lakh, and I will create another class. I have same here. I will pass this is desire, and this is of collaboration of Maruti Suzuki, because I like this model, but I will not buy this model. And this is like he is by I think Jack. Let's see if we get the result. As it is giving me so much space here, it should not. Yes, that the reason is this. I need only in the first because it should separate two car detail. Let's make this as the first model is V15, this company is Ford and owner is Liag, second is Desire, and this is owner of Suzuki, company is Suzuki and owner is Jack. You can make multiple class here so that you can initialize this. Here you can pass F1, this is by I think this is now in Tata Motors. This is of Jaguar. I'll make capital this, and Ford also. And this is by Smitha. Teresa. Let's run it. It would give us, because we have not called this function of this object, it will not print this until we will not call. And where we call this, before or after, if we call this, I think this is 2, and this is creating me object 1 widget 2 dot put. Let's see. Now this is the sequence of making object. This will not affect on printing. When we can print anywhere, when we call this function first, it will call first. Let's run and see it. Yes, this is F1. We have last position in object 2, but we are getting as the first position. And like this, it is how you can make this. Here the best thing I like the Python is, you should not, first of all, you should not describe here this is a string or anything. You can't pass any type of variable. If you declare here, if you make here initialize with 0, you can make this can be converted into a string or character, or even float, double, if you can anything. This is the best point of Python. I ever like it. Thank you for watching this video. We will take more of the, this is the starting and basic of the object oriented programming. We will do many things in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay with us. And I have already told you that if you have some example that have not discussed here, you can discuss with us. You can send to the mail, or you can comment on this video, so that other people can know what type of example you know, and other people may not know that. And this may be some social work, and let's make this our society strong and learnable. Thank you, and meet we again.